Your future is calling your name. Every dream begins inside your heart. Before the journey starts, you may not see the road ahead, but keep believing in the words you said. There will be mountains, there will be rain, there will be moments filled with pain, but every step that you decide to take can turn a dream into a life you made. Don't let fear tell you that you can't. Don't let doubt take away your chance. The dream you carry deep inside could be the reason you were born to rise. Dream it, wish it, do it. Believe it, then pursue it. If you can see it in your heart, don't be afraid to make a start. Dream it, wish it, do it. Work for it and go through it. No matter how far the journey goes, keep moving forward, never lose hope. Speak your dream. They only see what your eyes can see, but vision lives beyond today, and faith can show you another way. One small step, then another one. Keep going until the race is won. You don't need to have it all today. Just start somewhere and find your way. When the door is closed, knock again. When you fall down, rise again. Your story isn't finished yet. The best chapters haven't happened yet. Dream it, wish it, do it. Believe it, then pursue it. If you can see it in your heart, don't be afraid to make a start. Dream it, wish it, do it. Work for it and go through. No matter how far the journey goes, keep moving forward, never lose hope. Dream it when nobody believes. Wish it with your heart on your knees. Pray for the strength to carry on, then get back up and keep moving strong. God may open the door, but you've got to walk through. The dream may be waiting, but the action starts with you. Dreaming this bella dream and belong you. No can put it, you must walk strong too. Sapos rock me hat, you no can give up. Step by step, you by go on top. You got one bella dream and long bell. Hold him strong, no can let him make me lose. Dream him, like him, make him now. Fight now, walk by, bring him you, where we go. Dream it, wish it, do it. Dream it, wish it, do it. Dream it. Dream it, wish it, do it. Believe it, then pursue it. Take that dream and make it real. Trust your heart and trust what you feel. Dream it, wish it, do it. Don't be afraid to go through it. Your future is waiting, so rise and begin. The greatest victory is the one you win. Dream it, wish it, believe it, do it. Don't just dream about tomorrow. Build it today. Dream it, wish it, do it. Your time